Welcome to Science Lab with Mrs. Keener. Hello, my scientist friends. Today, we're going to do some bowling. Bowling is a game that people play indoors or outdoors. And in bowling, you take a ball and you roll it along the floor and you try to knock down pins. Usually, there are 10 pins. There's 1 in the first row, 2 in the second row, 3 in the third row, and 4 in the fourth row. Let's count them up and see how many that is total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 pins here. Usually you get a point for each pin you knock down with the ball, and if you knock down all the balls in 1 or 2 tries, you get extra points. The way you get good at bowling is by practicing rolling the ball just the right amount of pushing so that it goes straight and it goes far enough to knock down the pins. So you have to give the ball a push, which is a force. So today we're going to be using forces to make the ball move in bowling. And you get to make your own bowling rules in your own bowling game. First, you need to find a flat space to work. You can do this indoors, a hallway would be great, or you could do it outdoors, as long as you're working someplace flat. For your pins, choose something that you can knock over without breaking. You can use water bottles. They can have water in them, or they can be empty. You can use plastic cups, or you can use something else. And you can decide how many pins you want and how to arrange them. Then find a ball. You might have to try more than one ball. You might find that one ball is too small or too big. And decide how far away you want to be from the pins when you start to roll. So try a couple of different balls, see works best. If it's too easy, you might want to make it a little more challenging. Start from further back or make the pins farther apart from each other. Once you've decided how to set up your game, you can make the rules. Remember, when you make the rules, it's only fun for everybody if the rules are fair for everybody. So you can't have a rule that says, if your name is Mrs. Keener, you get 10 extra points. That wouldn't be so fun for everybody else. So make rules that are fair for all the players and decide how you want to assign points and how you want to take turns. And when you have your bowling game all set up and ready to go, tell me about it in a video in Flipgrid. I look forward to seeing your bowling game.